Oh my god, it's just not stopping. 30, 30, 30, mate, 30. Whoa, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes. Petty cap still don't shut, but I managed to super glue this back on. Now the lock's just broken, you know. I'm thinking I will have to part ways with this car, not by selling it. It's looking like a scrapyard job, boys, I'm not gonna lie. If it's when it's confirmed scrapyard job, I'm gonna drive this car and take the piss, bro. Drive into a ditch or something. Well, we might even do that today if we play our cards wrong. But yeah, I just had a free moment. I'm a bit bored today. Thought I'd bash this, innit? What's going on? I think this is the strongest wind I've ever experienced whilst driving a car, ever, right now. And a proposal, boys, yeah? I do POV drives on all sorts of cars on this channel, but I need your assistance. These are all my cars. If you want to help me out, be consistent on this channel, and you're willing to come to Nottingham or surrounding areas, then make sure you get in contact on my Instagram or email, both in the description, both on screen now. And whatever you've got, I'll give it a go. Try me, I will drive anything. If you've got an electric scooter, let me know. Lamborghini Huracan, let me think about your decision, but let me know. And of course, as soon as I come out, the rain begins. It's not even rained for the whole of yesterday and today. Actually, no, it hasn't. We're in a storm. This is a storm. But like I said, I was just bored in it. Had a free moment. We're gonna take it easy today. Yo, the Mazda 3 that's got a baby on board sign is pulling away right now. Let's whack it in here. There we go, Shani. Here we go. Moving today. The brakes have definitely gone down a bit since this morning. If you don't know, boys, I've just been filming on this car all day between my tasks and that, but I've literally got nothing else to do today, so it's just not enough torque in gear 2, is there? I'm saying gear 1 job. Damn, this is not a fast car, is it? Am I surprised? No, but yo, I'm getting gapped by a crow right now. Mate, the wind. Can you sense it on video how much I'm having to keep this car in a straight line because of the wind? Moving like I've got Alzheimer's. What's that one called? Vibrations. I feel like we've not done this in so long. Like just a pure B-road bashing. Look at the flowers coming out. The daffodils are back out. Summer's round the corner, boys. Bro, the car's so lousy, yeah? It's such a drowsy throttle. It's so unresponsive. It's not even fast. Hooks though, it's not very understeery, which I kind of imagined it would be. Let's get around the corner. Woo! I'm gonna miss this little dinger. I don't know, boys, what you reckon? Help me out. Should I just run it into the ground? Should I just keep it? Because I do want to say, I'd love to sit here right now and say I keep it. But you know what I mean? I feel like on that frosty morning, I'm gonna see this. It's not gonna start first time. I'm just gonna L it off. I'll just never use it. No problem, mate. Oh, why did I let her in front, man? My manners cost me my time. I knew this would happen. That was my fault, to be fair. What lovely homes. Yeah, I can't even see around it because it's just in the middle of the road. That's a Range Rover, mom. This is me foot to the floor and I'm barely keeping up. You gotta go slow for the horses, mate. What a lovely horse. She didn't compliment my Fiesta, did she? My Fezzy. Oh, why is the wind trying to mack me off into the hedge? I'm not trying to go camping today. This engine is not going to last long. Woo! Bit of air time. Yo, van is on it, mate. Oh, the car stinks. Yo, brakes are gone. Brakes have got a better fade than me, bro. Oh my god. Why is this not stopping? It's just not stopping. Honestly, boys, be honest with me. What would you give me for this car? It's working. It's just got some cosmetic, I wouldn't say issues. It's just imperfections. But the car can be used on a day-to-day. It serves its purpose. Why would you want to get that when you can get this? What would you value this? Should I take the next video? Yeah, I'll take this to We Buy Any Car. See what they give me. Hopefully it's more than a packet of Quavers. Oh, smells very bad now. No, honestly, this is not good. It don't even smell of like a clutch or burning brakes or anything. It just smells of fire. Oh my god, the potholes. Too much going on. Leave me alone. Let me drive in a straight line. See what I mean? This is my foot to the floor and we're keeping up with regular traffic. That's what I like about it, innit? Like right now, I feel like I'm on top of the world. I'm just focusing, yeah? Wind's trying to take me out, potholes trying to take me out, car's on its way out. Where in actual fact, we're doing 30. I don't think we'll even get to change gear. There I was thinking that'd be a short shift bang. It simply weren't capable of getting to the red line in time. Turn it back around. Oh, that's the beauty of a car like this. You ain't gotta look for none of that. The clutch is not, you know what I mean? Foot's in the floor, clutch is at the top. 40. Bang. The clutch has got some slow Wi-Fi, mate. The clutch is running some high ping. Right, you see this national speed limit sign, and we're gonna absolutely let it off, yeah? You ready? Here we go. It's about as dramatic as it looks on video. Oh, here she is, look. You know what, it's alright, at the top end, it's a bit of a handful. You know, with it being a flipping storm right now, do you get a bit of a buzz? Trying to handle this thing. It's doing this very efficiently as well. Big up to the 1.25 on smoke. See, this is a good thing. There's oncoming traffic, but I can still, do you know what I mean? I'm still using the car's full potential because I'm not going to be catching up. Downshift again. For what reason? It's not like I can overtake. They won't get around. This is foot to the floor, nearly at the red line. It's not going to get around that thing. Everyone's coming off, look. Everyone's going home. Everyone's had a long, hard day. We might as well just launch it, mate. Rolling launch. Bang. Straight into 30. Oh, I'm excited for summer, dude. Genuinely. Honestly, for city driving, the car's very good. I'm in two minds of keeping this. I'm also a very, low standard person, as you can probably tell. But now, what I'm trying to say is, I've got low standards in terms of cars. I've driven bare category S's and cars with defects and imperfections. I don't think many people can appreciate a car like this as much as I'm appreciating this right now, because this is not that special. But it might be a shit box, yeah, but it's my shit box. Oh my god, brakes faded bad. Why is the car losing power? Struggling to get up these hills, mate. Oh, the wind! I feel like I'm flipping wrestling this Ford right now. It's holding it though. Yo, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes. Yeah, she's flying, mate. Watch the shift, watch the shift, watch the shift. Perfect, smooth with it. He's failed MOT. Not us though, we flied through ours. Oh my god, it's just not stopping. 30, 30, 30, mate, 30. And there we go. As you can see, the brakes were pretty non-existent there. Ooh. There's nothing I hate more than pressing a pedal and nothing happens. That's brake to the floor. We should have stopped back there, actually. We should have been rear-ended by now. It's giving up. Cheers, mate. You probably could have got through that, mate. You're not driving an HGV, even that ice cream tub. Hear the hole in the exhaust. Don't even try and say it's a oh my god. See how much blood's coming off that kid's face? What happened? What manner of thing happened for him to... What's going on? I'm so confused, genuinely. I mean, I'm not going to complain, you're being nice to me, but what? Get the back on that horse, jiggling away. We won't kick off yet, come on, mate. We're in a bit of a village, there's builders about, the horse is back there, twerking away. There's children about as well. We'll give it a second till we're 100% certain that there's nothing really, well, it's not safe, but minimal risk. Okay, well, Furniture Village don't give a shit about minimal risk. Good luck to that kid over there playing in the road. Right, onwards. Oh, we're already in gear 2. That shows the levels of this car. I thought I was in gear 4, it's in 2. That's the gear 2 torque right about now. Well, the good thing about that is you can completely open it up around the bend. It's not like you're going to oversteer or understeer into anything. It's just that pushing off power. Brakes are off strike. Oh, no they're not, no they're not. Nothing's changed, mate. Bro, am I driving a kite? Goes anywhere in any direction apart from where I'm trying to steer the thing. This is the biggest sun visor I've ever seen. Look at the size of that. Can't just whack an A4 sheet in front of the windscreen. Brakes are gone again. Not as bad. Still pretty bad. Not bad for my standards, but for the general driver on the road. Look, this is a full brake right now. Emergency brake. Wow, what an emergency. Well, that was a pleasant surprise, wasn't it? Sun came out for the occasion. Casual turn. Straight into the red. To be fair, the car's got very long gearing, but as you can see, this is full power and is in cruise control right now, and he doesn't even have a clue that we're full power. I hope you enjoyed, boys. Knocked out a quick little bash for you lot. Actually, that doesn't sound very appropriate, does it? Hope you enjoyed that little bash. If you want to see more videos of me bashing, let me know. This one, I don't really like this one. It's a bit single file. It's not very nice in the daytime. Plus it's a bit greasy, but oh man, I feel so bad. I've ruined their romantic walk. Sorry, thank you. We'll keep it chill. Don't want to upset their impression. We'll give it a little. This is gear 2 anyway, so this genuinely is maxed out power. Should we mess about? Oh, okay, go on then. Oh, such an awkward little road, innit? I said this before, mate. This road's like the ghost train. You just don't know what's around the corner. The transit behind us wants to get going. He's alright because he's got me as the test pilot. Final little straight. Genuine bicep workout to do this. Whoa, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes. Woo! You see the look on his face? He knows me. Recovery driver, he's driving these dingers more than that range. Keep it slow and steady. We don't want to scare the dog now, do we? You know what, we'll chill now. Definitely not a bit of poo on my seat. There's a poo on all the seats. I told you guys about the mold in this car. Oh my god, water's coming in from somewhere. What? I thought we were keeping it smooth and steady. Trying to mug me off, bro. I bet this is riveting content for you lot, innit? Don't be commenting stuff like no balls. If you were in it and realised there was no brakes, you'd understand. Whoa, nearly experienced a write-off there, bro. Woo. That's it. Because look, we're approaching a bend. The brakes are, this is the brakes right now. I'm on the brakes. I'm gonna let it cool off. The junction's over there, but we're gonna chill out over here. You know, with the whole lack of braking issue that we've just experienced. See, look back like we never left. No one has a clue what's just gone down on that road. Oh, has the radio been on this whole time? Banger. Yo, because the car's hot now, listen. Genuinely sounds like it's got a Miltech exhaust. Sounds like your i30N. You ready, yeah? Why are you looking at me weird for? I'm not even obstructing you. Just listening to my pops and bangs. Listen. Sorry, mate. Fastest I could do. Alright, so I've decided to part ways with the car. It's a genuine reason of sale. Mechanically it's fine. I work far away, so I'll come to you, but I'll probably link you at a petrol station or something, and I prefer cash transfer. The car's mint though. Never took it over gear 3. One previous lady owner, she didn't even drive it, bro. Mileage is 0 miles. It got airlifted here. No lights on the dash either. Don't be fooled, that's because the dash lights don't work.